What's up, YouTube? Let's go, back again with another video. And I don't even know what today's title is, but y'all gonna see eventually. But look, y'all got my new MacBook. Yeah, it's a little 22 though. It's 2022. But you feel me? You feel me? Now I'm about to be coming back to back. You feel me? Gotta make stuff make sense. But as y'all can see, I'm about to get out of the house. Oh, let me show y'all the fit of the day. Hold on, come on. Show y'all the fit of the day. You feel me? Got the, my little favorite ski mask, but I make it look trendy today through make it a little hangy off like the side a little bit. You feel me? Make it look. Then I got the yeaayurrmgmt merch. You feel me? Sweater. I got my, you feel me? My greens, my lucky greens, no collar. You feel me? Like, you feel me? Like, but yeah, let me get out of this house. And I'll see y'all when I get to, I guess my mom's house. I don't know. Let me see what I'm gonna do. But yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm back. I'm at my mom's house. And as you can see, I had to stop by the Chick-fil-A. You feel me? Nah, but I had to taste for some of their fries. And I had, when I got there, and I was like, might as well get some macaroni too. And then I seen this new, what's it, pineapple dragon fruit. Let me see it real quick. Let me make sure I'm saying it right, y'all. Let me see if I'm saying it right. Let me see if I'm saying it right. Let me see if I'm saying it right. Pineapple dragon fruit lemonade. About to see what that hitting for. You can smell it through the straw, you know. Shit. Dang. Look. Dang. Come here, give me that. Give me that. Alright. Seriously, y'all. For a drink, I'm gonna give this a 8.5 out of 10. You feel me? It's good though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like the flavor's busting. I ain't gonna tell you. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. Nope, that's mine. Back up. Yeah, see, I still got the fries, the waffle fries, and the mac and cheese. Jeez. You hear me? Then, I don't know how y'all say it, but I said the Parmesan sauce. I think I said it right this time. Parmesan sauce. You heave. Never go wrong with that. I know they got high calories, but like, you know what I mean? I'm saying, when you work hard, you play hard. You feel me? Hey, look. Y'all can go try this junk though. Y'all should definitely go try this. Definitely good. But yeah, let's get down to these fries. Let's see what these fries hitting, folks. Fries still warm. Pomegranate sauce still is good. Mmm. Mmm. Mama. Man, today Friday. 8.5 out of 10 today. Mmm. I just got robbed for half of my fry. Mmm. She agreed with the 8.5. I usually just put the pomegranate sauce on the mac and cheese, but I'm gonna tell y'all what it tastes like before I put it on there. It's pretty solid. Pretty solid. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. They ain't got nothing on Popeyes. That's why I really should have went and got, you know. But it's still good though. I'm gonna get that from 6 out of 10. I don't know, it's just not. It ain't on one there, I guess. Parmesan sauce added a little point to it, so with parmesan sauce, I'm gonna give it a 7. Without it, 6. Mmm. Mmm. Good. Is it good? We good, little mama? Mmm. Tell me if it's good. Is it good? Mmm. Today is a good day. You don't want another? You want another one? Here you go. I ain't gonna give you one. I'll just. There you go. Mmm. Y'all hear? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm about to smack the rest of you. I'm gonna get back to y'all. Cause I'm really hungry. Type, you read me. What's up, y'all? I'm back. I'm at my cousin's house. Good now. Y'all know, we on our photo shoot shit right now, so they gotta bear with me. I'm gonna take y'all on that. I ain't show y'all the first ones. I really got some smoke shit going right now. Ooh, ooh. I'm gonna let y'all, you feel me? I'm gonna let y'all see. I'm gonna let y'all see. You know what I'm saying? We going back to the gas. It probably might take something in here, but gotta go back to the gas station. Take these hard flips. Gas station. You can always get the best pics at the gas station. I don't know why, but them shits be looking fire. When y'all take pictures, like how y'all go about when y'all be doing y'all joints, it's like where y'all be going to? Y'all got a specific place y'all go to? You hear that beat noise? That remind me of the old days. Cross the stout. Cross that. Cross that. Double O. Take my glasses on. I'm coming. It's straight up. Yeah. Nah, I do. That's you trying to go big sweat shoes. You gotta be dead.
I always do this with my shit though.
Yeah.
I always do this shit.
Cause I gotta check them out.
I always do this shit.
Check them out.
No cap. Oh, you know I always do this. This how we coming. And then she talking about take picture with my glasses on. Girl. This shit gotta come out. You pouting. You know how I give it up though to me. Shit. Hey. Shit, we can take some pictures of this shit. Come on, wait a minute. Oh, I'm real. I'm gonna rock some shit. Man, do you think I should change my pants? Do you think I should put elbows on?
Shit. You should put bell bottoms on.
Yeah, my bell bottoms.
It's up to you. It's how you feel. You know, I'm trying to really be on that shit more than what we do. What we been doing.
Hey, come right here, twin. Look at this. Like, bro, they might get mad at us for this. Man, niggas be having this shit. Like, really, real deal. Like, oh, like 2-3 years ago, never wore. Dead stop. Like, bro, say dead stop. I'm trying to see what that car show is gonna be like. Yeah, I'm gonna put my worst in it.
My bad, y'all. Man, I'm trying to find a hard pick. Alright, I got my 2 picks. I just need 1 more pick. So yeah, we about to go back to the store, Egghead store, and we get back with y'all there. Man, I cut Travis crazy. Oh, my kid said I cut Travis crazy.
Crazy as hell.
Tell him, what the hell? What could got that shit on? Y'all seen? Put that shit on. Put my bitch on. You feel me? Nah, cousin sneaky. Look how. Hold on, I'm gonna do it. Why he over sneaky the geeky?
Pop it.
Look at
gotta pop it.
Sneaky the geek.
Hey, twin, when you pop it, when you really wanna pop it, you gotta pop it.
You gotta pop that junk like
a balloon.
Like a bad baby.
Yeah, like a bad
like a bad baby.
Okay, you gotta
pop that ass. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have to. What was that? Bow Wow. He was Soulja Boy going
Bow Weezy. But shit.
I'm gonna have to.
But sheezy. Bow Weezy. Hey. I said I throw that shit out. Oh shit. Hey, my bad.
Nah, y'all, but we about to go back to the gas station, take some more pics. Let y'all talk. Off of Bean, yes sir. Come on. Off of Bean, yes sir. At the gas station now. I gotta get some gas for real, but at the same time, we is taking our flicks and flicks, you feel me? At the same time, still taking, at the same time, I gotta take me some flicks and flicks at the same time. Hold on, let me get our cousin to the pics out.
the streets, bitch. 100,000 on my pocket.
You ready, cuz?
No sweet, bitch. 60K on my wrist. This a boutique, bitch. All my hoes got fat asses, they all on fleek, bitch. All my bitches wearing designer, I don't want no cheap, bitch. Draco with me, everywhere I go. On the front seat, bitch. Shit, niggas know I'm back.
Come on, cuz.
Make you drink, doing time and make you think. Got you clutching on the street. You gon' rob a tank.
Real picture taker, you feel me? You ain't get down to, you ain't stupid down to a level for your homie.
Scoot down to that shit.
You hear me? You hear me? Yes, sir. I'm gonna get you. Now let's go inside. Yeah, we gotta go inside now. Y'all gotta go inside and grab me. I gotta grab me a couple pics. You feel me? And grab me some gas too. Pump them on. Pump them on. 5.
I go everywhere you can. I do, man.
I'm trying to figure out me a good spot to take me and shit. What I take on that?
This nigga is done. Oh, I heard you back there, man.
Money getter.
Hell, what's up?
Hold on, y'all. I got y'all. I'm gonna set y'all up while I take these flicks.
Oh, that crispy.
Oh, ride the wave.
Alright.
You say you can swim, we ride the wave.
Alright, get me right here. Get me right here. God, you got me crying. Oh God.
Iceberg.
Do this shit up the freezer, man.
Like, shit, think of the game. You shit out the freezer. Get that shit out the freezer, man.
Shit.
What's up? What you eat? You got the spaghetti?
Oh.
Eating good.
Oh,
Yeah.
take it out.
Yes, sir. Eating good.
Yeah.
Eating.
You ain't say me nothing.
You ain't say me no spaghetti.
I knew you was coming.
I don't see. That's the thing. You ain't know I was coming. You gotta expect the unexpected.
What you recording? No,
I vlog. You know I vlog. Documenting my life. That's every day. I try to do it every day. I be doing good though.
Trying to stay consistent.
Ain't that right, everybody?
YouTubers, man.
Let me get some gas while I'm bullshit. Monique. I said your whole government. What's up, man? Yeah, like you ain't.
I seen you, but I see the camera.
It be like that.
You gotta get some gas with it.
Uh-huh.
Front door open.
What you doing?
Dang, I can't get no Red Bull too.
You want a front door open?
Hey. Why you calling me out for? Don't be calling me out.
You said he a regular. Oh.
Recording.
Oh, yeah.
Ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of recording.
You're right.
I like that watch. You told me I like that watch, man.
Well, you're looking like Mike Jones. Well, this thing looking heavy, boy.
That watch look crazy.
I said,
Yeah, you feel me?
all these girls invited. Oh, you bitches, y'all like it.
I'm
Me,
so- Hey, you really popping it, yes,
so
sir.
I said,
Yeah, man.
boy, that shit, that's it. Crazy part about it, it's still hard to believe I'm a celebrity. Dark shades, I still see all the jealousy. I'm in the places, I'm racing for my legacy.
I'm supposed to get some gas. I'm tripping.
My jewelry, D-boy style. Buzz down my watch, buzz down my smile. These fuck niggas try to steal my style. They took it.
Little girls can't go out of style. They said Gucci went broke. I said hush your mouth. My people got
Paper, they done fucked up now. Kick back on the couch in this big ass house. With this 11 side pool, I went the He-Man route. The house so cold, it's like the heat ran out. I need a one-on-one spouse and a He-Man house. I draw the top in the V, then the freak came out. That was she sucking on the dick, I thought the teeth came out. Nigga, I ain't gonna pay.
I'm gonna try to do it now. I'm gonna do it all the time. Hey, YouTube.
Mama couldn't talk.
Let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know everything y'all want to see. Y'all tell me that.
Chaz TV. Dripping, got just swimming with the fishes.
Cause I'm coming now. I'm on it. I'll eat. I'm hungry.
Gucci man, send me chicken for a living. Water open in the kitchen, even hit the vision.
I don't know.
Your mouth paper got paper, they done fucked up now. Kick back on the couch in this big ass house. With this other side pool, I'm with the heat.
You got me some. I gotta grab some buds. Yes, sir.
That big P boy again. You follow me to the house, put my big P on.
You say you say you gonna put yours on? You got that big boy? What you right? What you want to give me a number or something? That's all you gotta say. I mean, yeah.
What's your name?
My name Loak.
Loak.
Loak. Loak.
Crystal. 336 964 82.
82. Alright, I'm gonna call it. That's me calling. I appreciate it. Appreciate that, bro. Y'all see how bad that? Easy. Bagging it. I'm on that. Rick Good W Riz.
Thank you. Yes, buddy.
Hold on.
Guys.
Yes,
Y'all real quick.
We had this car meet, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I feel like this is my first car meet.
I ain't gonna lie, I feel like you should spread your pinkies in your fucking door. But yeah, bro. Like,
Hey, when y'all go to car meet, what do y'all be doing? Do y'all like sit at y'all cars? Do y'all like make y'all own section like VIP type shit, or is
y'all
like,
feel fished out?
like do you get fished out a little bit? Like when people like, you know what I'm saying? People come ask you
Let
what
me
year?
know.
Do people come ask you what year your car is? Like, do you get pictures?
Yeah. Like, you might well just add me in that group. You might well just add me in that what's it called?
I want my boys there. Hey, matter of fact, y'all go add my new page to that group
See
chat.
up in tabs on YouTube.
Go add my new page to that group chat.
Been doing this shit for all this shit.
Are you in the car? You in the car channel group page? Shit, add me to that shit. You feel me? Add my car page. I don't know, y'all got some shit out here though. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh yeah, show me.
Man, yeah, cause we really do this shit. No cap. We really do this shit. And no cap. We chilling right now though, you know. When I pop it, you out popping. Y'all go look at my YouTube, y'all see what the fuck going on. This shit, we put this shit on every day. You feel me? You smell me. If the toilet open, can you smell me? Yeah, we ain't worried about that. Feel me? I'm about to pull up. I'm about to pull up.
We gon' put him to sleep. Niggas say what about that gang? It's not that all is gon' breathe. No face, no case, they don't know who to shoot. White 38 and I got it from I'm a red nigga play, I'm a dude. I got a nice place, so now I gotta lose it. Poppin' the burgers, that's what I be. Stuck in the public, we up in the truth. Yeah, rain, it was a minute, man. We flippin' the city and call. Oh, you said it. Ain't no kill. I'm on the Glock, all that's a person. This shit, they get talking, that's why I don't feel it. No bitches coming, that's why I'm miss. That's why I'm kill them.
Like you said, look,
That's why I'm kill them.
you probably got like 5 more weeks, I think, or something like that. I forgot how long he been gone. He been gone about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So he probably got 5, 6 weeks. Shout out little bro in the Navy, doing your thing. So if you see the little bro, love you, you feel me?
Shout out to little cuz. Shout out to little twins.
Raise your pinky thumb to the Navy for
You know the vibes. Hey. Dirt Twins dropping the mixtape soon, so y'all stay patched in, man. You know. But you already know what time it is, man. We pop through, you know. Doing giveaways. Whole bunch of giveaways coming soon. Shit. Y'all know. Like, comment, subscribe, share. You know.
it got a little nip that had to
We really waiting on girl to get here, so we really gonna give y'all a little tour, show y'all how people let them people shout you out, shout themselves out, you know.
Everybody get here, we trying to walk around, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to walk around with the group.
Yeah, look, you gotta get them coming in.
They trying to walk around.
They really popping. They popping shit. They popping. They really popping. They popping on some nice.
Hey, that track hard though, y'all. You better come around this way, I'm not sure y'all. Right there, though.
Leaky squad go with that glizzy down to catch a body right around the ride. If I'm sign on any fuck nigga claiming they want it when this bitch.
I got look, y'all. I guess my boy about to cut up. Let's see if he about to cut up real quick. He got him a good show behind him. He must about to really cut up. I thought he was about to do something crazy. he had a good. Hey, cause he had a show behind him. I thought he was about to do something crazy. He didn't even do that. He just pulled off.
You know,
he just pulled off.
It's hard, man. That shit sounds good too.
What's up, y'all? It's another day. I ain't even get to finish the vlog, but I'm gonna let y'all get this last little scenery. We doing this little skit. So y'all about to see how this doing behind the scene. And that'll be it. And I'm gonna end it off to another video, you feel me? But
Alright, let's go. I'm gonna do a countdown like 3, 2, 1.
You know, just pop my head in.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hold on. Alright. 3. Oh damn. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Now you gotta record. Hold on, let's see.
I got you. Get your good scene that you saying. Studio close.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, something. Basically, look. Hold on.
Get you sit down, basically.
You might have to come this way. Let me see. Let's see real quick.
Yeah, that's all I
Let's see.
see. You be kind of sitting at the corner type shit.
Yeah, basically try to get me like this. You see?
Okay.
Where you getting the computer, but you getting like half of it, and then you getting me.
So like this. Like this good.
Do a countdown, then hit record.
3, 2, 1.
What you doing, bro? The studio closed.
Alright. And then now what you on there?
Okay, yeah, that's right. That's good. Now you gotta go back out the door. You gotta walk. You gotta put your head how you had it peeking out, and you gotta push it like basically have your head like this, and then come in like, come on, bro. Like,
Okay, I got you. Alright, come on, bro.
Yeah, like,
alright, so what I'm saying, come on.
like, come on, bro. I think I got something.
Alright, I got you. So it start like this, right?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Come on, bro. I think I got something.
Yeah. Alright, you gotta do me back again. The same spot. I gotta hit it with that. Man, you better have. Alright. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Man, you better, come on, this shit closed, bro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give you a chance. You better have some heat, bro. Have some heat, bro. Then you gotta go back right there one more time. Be like, I got you. You gotta like, man, come on. Stand. Like, man, come on, I got you. Trust me.
Alright, come on.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Man, come on, man. You know I got you. Trust me.
Whatever you do, keep that shit rolling.
We leading this bitch, you know it. Don't pass me your blunt, I won't hit it, I throw it.
One word and 2 lies and I feel like a poet, just having the mic and I tell them record. In a small close place, you can say I'm in stores.
I was a dirty girl, blast when